Hello guys, it's been so long since I uploaded any videos, but I'm back guys. So in this video I'll be showing you how to install Python in any Windows or any operating system. So first thing is to open your browser. I'm opening Chrome and typing download Python. So as you can see, there's a link right there. You should click that link, the official page of Python. Here you can choose the download button or select the operating system you want to install Python on. So here I am selecting download, and as you can see, the download started. If you want to select a version of Python, different types of versions, you can select the type of operating system you want, but I recommend just downloading guys. Okay, so as you can see here, the Python download is ready. Python installer is ready. You should tick the add Python to path, and if you want to do a custom you can do, but I recommend you to just click on the install button. As you can see, it's now installing. Just be patient a bit. It's installing. Okay, as you can see, it's done now. Just close the setup, and after that, now we need to verify if we have installed Python correctly. So open your CMD or terminal, and after opening, let me open. Yes. Okay, after opening your terminal or command prompt, you should type in Python so that we can see if Python is installed correctly. If it isn't installed correctly, an error message will appear, but as you can see right now, Python is running 100% correctly and working perfectly. So we have installed Python. If you want to verify further, you can type in Python -v, which shows you some of the pre-installed libraries and many packages. So that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like and share for more videos like this guys.